A vague prompt to a browser chatbot wastes 30 seconds. The same vague prompt to a terminal coding agent can delete a file, break a build, or commit code you never approved. That's the gap nobody explains before you install one. Browser chat gives you words on a screen. You read them, decide if they're useful, and copy what you want. A terminal agent skips that checkpoint. It writes the file, runs the command, and calls the API on its own, so your instruction turns directly into an action in your codebase. Terminal agents don't answer once and stop. They run in a loop. Read your prompt, decide on a step, execute it, read the result, then decide the next step. That loop can repeat 10 or 12 times before it hands control back to you. If your first instruction was fuzzy, every step after it inherits that fuzziness, and you usually don't notice until the whole loop is done. 12 or more tool calls, file reads, edits, and shell commands is a normal count for a single task once an agent starts working. One unclear instruction at the start doesn't just produce one wrong answer. It produces a chain of wrong actions, each one built on the last. The fix starts with treating your prompt like a work order, not a wish list. Name the exact files or folders the agent is allowed to touch. Describe what done actually looks like, tests passing, a specific output, a working build. And say clearly what it should never run or delete, because agents will use judgment you didn't ask for if you leave gaps. For anything bigger than a small fix, don't hand over the whole task at once. Ask the agent to propose a plan first, review it, then let it execute one piece at a time. Require it to show you a diff before applying changes, and set a stop condition like pause after the tests run, so you stay in the loop instead of finding out what happened after it's already done. Real Syllabus breaks down the exact prompt structure that keeps coding agents inside their lane, step by step. Go get it before your next agent run touches production.